Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you two different types of lassis. One is a dry fruit lassi and the other one is going to be a mango lassi. It's perfect for this weather. I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. So here I have already prepped the mango. I've peeled it, chopped it into large pieces and reserved. For the mango lassi and for the dry fruit lassi, we require chopped nuts for garnish. I've chopped it and reserved. For the dry fruit lassi, I'll be using date. One date I'll be using because I'm doing single serving, walnut, pistachio and almonds. Here I've used hung yogurt. Hung yogurt is very simple to prepare. You add the yogurt to a tea strainer. It will drain out all the excess moisture. So I've reserved it. It's very simple to prepare. We need yogurt, regular yogurt, salt and pepper, sugar. I'll also be using food flavors and colors. Here I'll be using mango food flavor from Papilon, lassi flavor from Papilon and the cuss flavor from Papilon. Papilon food flavors and the colors are really pigmented. It has got very good flavor, so it enhances the food taste. Here what I've done, I've divided the hung yogurt into two bowls. So we'll be using the hung yogurt in both the lassis. So for one portion of the yogurt that I divided, I'll be adding the cuss flavor. I've added just one drop of it, and for the other portion I'll be adding mango. We need to add sugar, a pinch of salt and pepper, we'll combine the flavor and the sugar in the hung yogurt. So I've combined the cuss flavor first. Now I'm going to be combining the mango. I'll reserve it till I prepare the lassi. So for the dry fruit lassi, in a mixer jar I've added date, I've added walnut, almonds, pistachio. I'll be adding a pinch of salt and pinch of pepper. I've added sugar. We'll grind this first. Once the dry fruit is in a powder format, I've added a few drops of the lassi flavor. Just a drop of lassi flavor. I'll be adding yogurt. Now we'll grind this to a smooth paste. Once the lassi has formed, I've transferred it to a tall tumbler. We'll add the cuss that we mixed earlier, the cuss hung yogurt that we mixed earlier. I'll be just topping that on the lassi. And now I'm going to be adding the chopped nuts and some raisins. So the dry fruit lassi is ready. I'm going to be serving it. Now we'll prepare the mango lassi. For the mango lassi, I'm using the same mixer jar. I've added the mango pieces in the mixer jar. I've added sugar, pinch of salt and pepper. We'll grind it into a smooth puree and transfer it to a bowl. Now using the same mixer jar, I've added yogurt to the mixer jar. Now I'll be adding the lassi flavor, just a drop of it. It enhances the flavor and taste. It enhances the flavor basically. I've added a drop of the mango food flavor and I ground the lassi. Once the lassi is in a smooth format, I've transferred it to the mango puree. Now I'm going to combine both the lassi and the mango puree. So my mango lassi is ready. We can serve both the lassis chilled or in room temperature. Now once I've combined the lassi in the mango puree, the mango lassi is done. I'm going to be serving it in a tall tumbler. This is a meal on its own. So it's very tasty. You have to give it a try. And mango is in season right now. So I've topped it with that hung yogurt, flavored hung yogurt. I'm going to be garnishing the lassi with some mango pieces and the chopped dry fruits. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. For a written recipe, click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links to my social media blog will be in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes, friends. I've gone ahead and served the dry fruit lassi and the mango lassi. We thoroughly enjoyed it. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.